There's a lot of opportunities for copywriters out there that just want to make 10, 15, 20 grand a month working for a single company. And there's a lot of opportunities. So that's kind of one thing. If you want to, you have to identify what kind of copywriter you want to be. Now, if you're going to want to almost start your own agency or start your own offers or do any of that other stuff, now we can take it up a notch. The thing that really helped me is when you're starting out in copywriting, at least for myself, I didn't have the funds and the money and the bankroll to start doing paid advertising like Facebook ads or YouTube ads or any other ads. I just didn't have the money to do it without going broke. Instead of that, I was in different Facebook groups. I was commenting. I was rewriting people's stuff in Facebook groups for free. So someone would say, like what I was doing back in the day, they would say, hey, here's some copy I wrote. What do you guys think? If it was a Facebook ad, something very short, I would just rewrite it for free. I'd say, hey, here's what I would do, man. Check it out. And that would almost be like a demonstration in front of a lot of other people. And that was a way that I was able to get clients organically, or one of the ways.